Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the US dollar CAD just keeps on drifting up. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. We're not even close to a Fibonacci level right now. Now that doesn't mean it may not push down, but even if it does push down, I think there's a very good likelihood this uptrend is not over because we're not at a fib level, and most turns do happen at fib levels. I still definitely think there's a good chance this is an ABC, but I don't really think that it's over yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, anything I see to the downside, I would be looking at as a likely pullback within an uptrend. So even if today's non-farm payroll does cause it to go down, believe that as long as it doesn't, really start breaking some of these lower structures, it probably is more likely just a pullback within an uptrend. I would expect it to at least go up to the 78% and maybe even beyond. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.